Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix lag issues in Samsung. If you're using any Samsung phone and your phone is lagging, so let's see how can you fix it. First of all, you just have to open your phone settings, and here you just have to enable or disable some settings. So let's see how. First of all, you just have to scroll down and look for device here. Here's that, select it, and here just select storage, and here you have to make sure that your phone's storage is not full. But if your phone storage is full, you just have to select and delete your unused app or files, and after that you just have to go back, then go for main settings. From here you just have to look for display, select it. From here just select motion smoothness, and here you just have to make sure that you have selected standard. Just select it, then select apply, and after that just go back, go for main settings. Now just scroll down and look for accessibility in your phone, select it, then select VM enhancements here, and here just scroll down and look for reduce animations options here, that you just have to enable the settings. And after that just go back, go for main settings again. Now you just have to scroll down again and look for software update. If you have, here's the software update, just select it, and here you have to make sure that your software is up to date. Just tap on it, and here it will check for software updates. If you have, here you can see my software is up to date, but if you have any updates, so you have to make it to download it and install to your device. After doing that, just go back, go to home screen. From here now you just have to restart your device. So let's see how. Just scroll down in control center, then select power option here, select restart, then tap on restart again. It will make a restart to your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. You just have to wait for power it on. After restarting, you just have to unlock your device, and now your problem has been fixed. So now you will not having any issues of lag in your phone. So that's how you can easily fix lag issues in Samsung. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.